In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your own custom profile picture or avatar picture for your workspace in ClickUp. So once you're inside ClickUp, click your account on the upper right and go to the settings. Now on the left hand side, click on settings again, and here you can find under the generals avatar. It's going to take the first letter of your workspace. So in my case, it starts with D, and so you can see that it has the placeholder as a D. Now if I click on that, I can change the color. I can put whatever color I want to, and you can see that it changed that. But I can take it to a whole new level by uploading an avatar. So I can click on that, and you can see right now that I can click on upload, and it's going to open up my file explorer. This is going to allow me to choose a picture, and if you have your company logo or your business logo, you can go ahead and add that. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to just choose a picture here from my files, and we're going to use that as the logo. So I'm going to take this for example and click on it, and as you can see, there's an image right there, and I can go ahead and I can move it where I want. And once you're satisfied, all you have to do is just go ahead and click and save here. That's going to add the picture as the avatar for the workspace, and that's it. If you want to change it at any point in time, you do the same thing. Go to the settings here and click on the image, and you have remove, or you can simply upload avatar again, which is going to allow you to upload a new avatar for your workspace. And that's how you do it, guys. Very easy and very simple.